Hi there, we are going to learn how to play Marvin Gaye's What's Going On today. I'm going to use an acoustic guitar. You can use electric guitar if you wanted to. We're going to cover all the chords in it. We're going to talk about how they're made and which substitutions you could make to make it even more fun. And in that instrumental part, we're also going to be able to catch the string line in there. So let's start it off at the beginning. We've got an E major 7. Now I'm playing this as an A-shaped bar chord at the 7th fret. So I've got 0, 7, 9, 8, 9, 7. Wouldn't have to play like that. You could play one of these. It's a C-shaped bar chord. We could even do as you like, but I like this one. Okay? And the second chord in that verse is C sharp minor. Here it is, C sharp minor 7 rather. So you can make it extra 7thy by adding an extra 7 there. So the fret numbers are 4, 6, 4, 5, 7, or 4 just underneath. Okay, so strum-wise, we've just got to fit in with the funk, all right? We've just got to fit in with what's happening on the drums. Something like 1, 2, and 3, and then you can fill up the rest of the bar as you like. So 1, 2, and 3, and, or 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and up to you how you do that. So I'm going down, down, up, down, down. The most important part is the front of the bar. So like 1, 2, and 3, right? So like 1 again, 2 again. Any of that sort of thing. Now you don't have to stay the same strumming pattern all the way through. Do as you like. But these are the chords. So in that verse, we've got E major 7. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2 bars. C sharp minor 7. So you can see I'm hitting a lot of offbeats there. It just feels right for the tune, right? Now, some extra things you can do in the verse. We could slide it into the E major 7. So like, something like that. Make it pretty nice there. We've got a C sharp there on the top. So it's like an E major 13 here, really. And see, I just took the minor 3rd off there from the C sharp minor. It's kind of a classic thing where you're kind of hammering on the 5 and the minor 3rd. So there's lots of options in there. All right, and then eventually we get to, you've got to find a way. So it's F sharp minor 7. Gotta find a way. 2 bars. Now, I've got a B13 sus here, so how I'm gonna play that is like here, index finger over the 2nd fret, and then G sharp on the top, 4th fret of the E string. Okay, so you're going to get 2 bars of F sharp minor, B13 sus, and then just a regular B13, but I'm going to make it up here. So that's 7, 7, 7, 8, 9, 9. Okay, so the whole of that verse could sound like this, E major 7. Two bars of this, 2 bars of C sharp minor 7. We're going to go down to F sharp minor 7. B13 sus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, and then that verse repeats. The second time when we get to this section, we go to the picket lines and picket signs section. So we've basically got F sharp minor 9. Now, we played the F sharp minor 7 like this before. I'm getting an extra 7 here. It's the E, right? But we're going to put a 9 on top, which is G sharp. So we get F sharp minor 9, and the other chord is that B13 sus again. Right, so it's a pretty subtle difference, right? So 3, 4, and a bar of each. Back into the chorus, which is the same chords as the verse. So let's just talk through that B section. We had 1 bar of F sharp minor 9 rather, then the B13 sus, F sharp minor 9, B13 sus, F sharp minor 9, and then half a bar, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then we're going to go back into the chorus, which has the same chords as the verse. E major 7, what's going on? Okay, so that really is the majority of the song, and then we've just got the instrumental part, right? So in that chorus, we basically had 4 bars. It was E major 7, C sharp minor 7. Oh yes, I should mention that I like this C sharp minor 7 as well. So we have 4, 2, 4, 5. It's quite nice if you switch halfway between the chords. So you're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. See what I mean? Okay, right, then that instrumental section. Now, the chords basically is 12 bars, and they're basically 2 chords, or 3 chords. 2 chords is A minor 9, and then now B13 sus for the final 4 bars. So we've got 8 bars of A minor 9. So we could play 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. B, 2, 3. And then back into the verse. Right, so that you could totally do that. Basically play 8 bars of A minor 9 and then 4 bars of B13 sus. But what you could do as well is you could catch that line that hangs over the top. So it basically goes. Three, 4, 3, 4. You know what we're talking about, right? So, but because we're playing the chord like this, here's our A minor 9, right? You could just drop to play those top 4 strings, so you don't really need to play that. I mean, you could still probably stretch, right? But, right? Now, so we get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So I just went from B to C on the top string, and then I'm going to play an octave, D, it hangs for 2 beats, and then we're going to play an A minor 7, it's a bit squeezy on this guitar, so you can catch that top melody note there on the E. So effectively we get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, right? So that was 3, D, and then back to C, and then 1, 2, a G. There's a G just here, right? So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's B, G. Cool, hey? So let's just have a go at that section. I'll shout the notes out before you need to hit them. So you're going to play a full bar of A, but the note on top is a B because it's the 9 of A. 3, 4, 1. Then a C on the 1, D on the 4, 3, and then E on the 1. D, C, G, D, then B, G, 1, 2, 3. Now, okay, so that was the first bit. The last 4 bars, we've got that B13 sus again. The note on the top is G sharp. So, and then it goes A, B. So we're going to do the same sort of thing we did before where we just stretch 1 and then we play an octave. So we're going to go G sharp, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then we need C sharp, and here's C sharp. Now I'm just going to play a regular B13 there. If you wanted to, you could still go for the sus there. You know, so like this, so 7, 7, 9, 9, 9. If you wanted to, if you wanted it to kind of resolve into the chord, this here is D sharp, which is the major third of B. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the sus, and hold that, and you could go. As you like to, from the sus there, you can't really see that. There's the sus, and then there's the B13, okay? And then it loops back into the verse. And it basically goes around a bunch of times. That was my lesson on Marvin Gaye's What's Going On. I put my teeth in. Thanks so much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you have any questions, get in touch in the comments. I'll see you later. Bye for now.